Hello guys, today we are back on our channel to help you with NAATI registration and test date booking. Watch the complete video to get complete information about the registration process. Firstly, you'll need to visit NAATI site www.naati.com.au. Scroll down to bottom, click on myNAATI under Resources. A new login window will open up. You can see if you don't have myNAATI account, click here, so click here. Now your registration process gets started. Enter your email ID. My email ID is urushaprasad93@gmail.com. You'll need to re-enter your email ID in confirm email section and click on register. After you click on register, they'll ask you for personal information. You can send your details and click on register. An email will be sent to you with the password. Now your registration process gets completed. You can go back to your login page. Now enter your email ID and password. Password is sent to you by NAATI in your email. Click on sign in. You can change your password, keep your own password and click on sign in. Now another screen pops up, so for booking the test you can click on submit an application. Click on credentialed community language as we are going for 5 PR points. You are required to enter the details such as your address and your phone number. You will be asked why you are taking the test. You will select to obtain credentialed community language points. Next, you will need to choose your language and select your preferred test location. Now remember, you can only book your test date after you receive verification from NAATI. Next, you'll need to upload a passport size photo with a white background and a PDF file of your ID proof is best accepted. It could be your passport or your driving license. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.